everyone, it's Bed to the Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just received the Elgato Teleprompter right here. There it is. So let's see what's in the box in less than 60 seconds. The Elgato Teleprompter. So it has a built-in 9-inch display. It's interchangeable, has interchangeable backplate system, large field of view, single USB cable for power and data, which is pretty cool. And you don't have to mess around with a lot of cables. And it's compatible with most DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, camcorders, and webcams. Alright, so you got a manual, and in this box it's kind of labeled. Each box is labeled. You got your USB cable. I'm not going to open that because it's just one cable. And then you have here the universal shroud backplate, which is normally used for your webcam or smaller cameras that you won't able to use the backplate. So here's the shroud, and then backplate, and I guess that's just a cleaner rag. And then what else we have here? And then you have your step rings, and these are for the different cameras for the backplate. Again, I'm not going to open that, but that's what's in the box. And then again, you got the mounting bracket that this thing sits on. The actual teleprompter has a glass face, or plastic really, and then you have your little monitor here, and then this is where you install your webcam or camera. You just gotta remove this to take off the back plate and put whatever appropriate backplate you need for your camera. Okay, in my case I'll be using the webcam, the 360 web link cam, I think that's the name of it. Anyway, alright, so here we are. I finally got my teleprompter up and running with the software, the Elgato camera hub, and I do have two displays running, dual displays, and then the third one is the teleprompter. So there you go. All right, that's it. I think I did it in less than 60 seconds. And if you are interested in this teleprompter, I'll leave a link below. And if you do like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care.